Don't know how to organize your desktop, how to stay aware of everything that happens in your house? Well, we've got a couple of gadgets to look at things from a different angle. Enjoy. Take your EDC gear up a notch when you have the Groove Wallet Slim Wallet with Money Clip. With a sleek and minimalist design, it has an ultra-durable construction thanks to the aluminum alloy material. Moreover, it can fan out up to 6 cards with a quick motion of your thumb. Its low-profile aesthetic blocks RFID, so it offers function, style, and security all in one. The thin body measures less than 8.5 millimeters thick, and the precision-machined aluminum alloy pairs with silicone bumpers. These ensure cards don't slide back down once you fan them out. Furthermore, its mechanical card arm keeps the cards secure once you slip them back into place. It also has a strong, detachable black anodized money clip. This gives you the flexibility of holding up to 10 folded bills without losing its minimalist feel. Reinvent your space every day with the Scribit Write and Erase robot. This little device draws designs on any vertical surface, and it can erase them, too. You can use it on your shop's glass window, your classroom whiteboard, or your office wall. That way, you can decide on a new type of atmosphere whenever you want. In fact, this wall drawing robot can make designs from any image sourced from the internet. Just use the connected app to decide on an image and tell your handy robot what to draw. And, surprisingly, this wall writing robot needs minimal setup with just 2 nails and a plug. Furthermore, any marker with a diameter between 0.4 inches and 0.6 inches will fit in this artistic robot. 12 markers come with your Scribit, and the robot can draw with up to 4 at a single time. Its creativity is practically limitless. Managing stress and pain is a challenge, but the Seedze Wearable Instant Relief Kit makes it so much easier. This 3-in-1 device relieves chronic pains and stress in an easy and effective way, helping you improve your overall health. Anytime, anywhere, it combines thermal therapy, far-infrared therapy, and aromatherapy. In fact, this cutting-edge wellness kit creates synergistic effects that improve your overall health. The electromagnetic thermal therapy and far-infrared ray therapy are infrared light at specific wavelengths. These clinically proven wavelengths trigger a physiological healing response in the body. Additionally, infrared therapy boosts your body's natural self-healing process. And fur can penetrate deep into your body, which not only absorbs the fur but also detoxifies harmful substances. Finally, aromatherapy circulates aromatic components with specific characteristics and affects the body's perceptions such as pain and stress, soothing and healing the body. Earzz is a smart home monitor that always listens for the sounds you want, especially when you can't. This intelligent home companion hears things like a breaking window, a fire alarm, a crying baby, a knock, and more. Simply place your ears where you want it and then choose any sounds to get alerted for. It's easy to choose from the expansive and ever-growing sound catalog in the iOS and Android Earzz app. Then, you receive instant alerts on your smartphone, watch, or tablet when it hears your chosen sounds. Moreover, its patent-pending sound recognition AI learns with your feedback, and it listens to only sounds, not speech, for privacy protection. Finally, it packs the convenience of many of today's smart home monitors into a single device that fits in the palm of your hand. Stay on top of your to-do list when you use the Luxafor LED Status Light Productivity Tool. Through the use of light, this device reduces your interruptions. There are 3 versions: the Flag, the Mini, and the Bluetooth. You can use the Luxafor Flag to alert your colleagues of your availability. Red means you're busy, and you can even select another color to show you're free to chat. Rather than checking your device, you can rely on the Luxafor Mini to alert you to emails, notifications, and calendar reminders. This means you don't have to open your email every few minutes. Finally, the Luxafor Bluetooth is a remote tool functioning for availability as well as notifications. Because it's wireless, you can take it with you to breakout rooms and meetings. Each of the Luxafor tools also offers unique timing functions for maximizing productivity. Offering wireless connectivity through Wi-Fi, the DWARF 2 Smart Telescope does so much. In fact, it has an altitude axis and an azimuth axis. Moreover, it offers periscope telephoto, a 4-core ARM CPU, 2 TOPS NPU, and motors for autofocus, azimuth, and altitudes. Not only that, but this gadget has wide-angle and telephoto lenses that offer autofocus for the best shots. They even offer object tracking and 4K at 30 FPS footage. Take panorama shots, get a billion pixels in one photo, and even take pictures of the moon and nebulas. Yep, that's right, the DWARF 2 even offers star tracking and star stacking. Overall, with built-in pan and tilt capabilities and AI power, it's an incredibly impressive tiny telescope. Use one gadget that can perform 4 tasks, the Qivation TiO2 wireless charging pad. Not only does it wirelessly charge your smartphone, but it also disinfects and purifies it. Using Qivation cutting-edge technology, this stylish gadget is a wireless charger, table lamp, mobile stand, and disinfecting device. Place any small personal items on top when you aren't charging something, and it purifies them. This multifunctional gadget has a minimal design that's great for any home and workspace and charges any device with the wireless charging function. Using nano-photocatalyst technology of Japan, approved by PIAJ, and Qivation's own technology, it safely purifies the surrounding air 24/7. During this disinfection cycle, it decomposes airborne viruses, odors, and bacteria with visible light and absorbs them when there's no light. Quietly warm up a room and mine Bitcoin at the same time with Heatbit Smart Heater. This smart heater takes the whole process of mining Bitcoin at a new level altogether. With this smart heater, you can literally get cash back while heating up your home. Additionally, no extra energy is required for mining. In fact, Heatbit warms up to 170 square feet. The operation is also super quiet, which is actually quieter than your fridge. There's also a smart software that increases hash rate while decreasing energy consumption. Along with multiple heat sensors, built-in accelerometer, and a protective design, this smart heater will take your home heating process one step further. Overall, this smart heater will indeed be a backbone of a decentralized monetary future. Wear a powerful gadget when you have the SuperHexa Vision Dual Cam R glasses. Giving you hands-free shooting, they ensure you're always ready to snap a shot. Additionally, they also have a bright and clear near-eye display that gives you a real-time HD viewing experience. Plus, you can adjust the optical display up and down 15 as well as front and back 15, letting you enjoy a personalized viewing angle. Moreover, it delivers 1/15x hybrid zoom and AF, so you don't have to manually focus or check the light or composition of the image. Simply keep looking at the subject and then press the photo button. With real-time translation, they give you access to real-time speech-to-text conversion in 10+ languages. Not only that, but they also support real-time translation in 9 languages, powered by Google. Experience training like never before with the Water Walker Smart Exercise Bath. With multiple models to choose from, this sports system gives you all the benefits of water exercise. In addition, it also gives you the convenience of a standard piece of workout equipment. The Water Walker gives you the perfect depth of water. As you move, the base of the Water Walker moves much like a treadmill. It's perfect for walking as well as running. The water in the base creates a variety of strength training options. In addition, you can add the jet motion to make the resistance stronger. With more or less water, you can increase your cardio. The hydropower also increases your blood flow to contribute to a more beneficial workout. Finally, the Water Walker also functions as a spa bath so you can relax after your workout. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.